Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Instagram friends list. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Instagram here, and I'm just going to go to one of these profiles. I'm going to tap on Pilot Ovet, and this is an Instagram page that I follow, and on here I can see all of his friends list, the followers and following that he has. So you can see this following list, and these are all of the friends that he has on Instagram. You can see all of the followers and following. Now if you want to hide that friends list on your specific account, there are a few limitations on how you can do that. Instagram is set up so that it defaults to if somebody is your follower, it shows your entire friends list. Now if you want to hide your friends list, there are a couple things you can do. One is if you want to hide that friends list from a specific person, you can tap on the three dots at the top right of their profile and then hit block, so you can block this specific account, and then they won't be able to see your profile whatsoever, and of course they won't see your friends list. Now if you don't want to block a specific person, but you want to generally hide that list from, say, everybody or a group of people, you can tap on your profile icon at the bottom right here, and then the top right, the three lines, then tap on settings and privacy, the third option down. Now at the very top you can see private account. If this is toggled off, you can toggle it on, and that will hide your friends list. However, people that are already your followers will still be able to see your friends list. So if you do this, you'll hide it from any new people, but you might want to go in and remove some followers if you don't want them to see your friends list. So just toggle off and remove them as followers. Now the very last option that you have is just to create a separate account where you can hide that friends list. So you can have a completely separate account where you do one thing or follow a certain number of people or an interest that you have, a hobby, something like that, and another where you have a separate group of friends, say school friends or college friends from your neighborhood, something like that. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.